to show you how to make free money using just your phone, set a lock screen passcode that changes every minute, turn a few phones into a mega speaker, and a ton more hacks you've never seen before that'll make you a total genius, starting with this one. Okay, now this camera hack is gonna blow your mind. All you need is a free app called Phono Paper, and the great thing is it works on any phone. So once you've downloaded it, open it up and you'll see it's actually a camera with this weird kind of line running through the middle. And how it works is you tap on this three-lined menu, then create your own. Now say something like, my name is Hayls. Then tap again and select this save icon. Now here's where it gets crazy, because when you open that saved image on another phone, or better yet, you even print it out, now what you can do is take that image, of course, make sure the app is open, and check how cool this is.
My name is Hayls.
How crazy is that? I tested this out with a bunch of different sounds and even music, and honestly, I just had so much fun playing around with this. Seriously, just download the app, try it yourself, because it is pretty genius. In fact, I left a secret message inside this one, so scan it and tell me what you think you heard. Huh? Now, did you guys know that there's a way to track anyone no matter what phone they have? And I'm surprised not many people know about this. So what you do is download good old Google Maps if you don't have it already, then open it up and in the top right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Now in here, you'll see location sharing. If you open that up, then click on this option, you'll now see a bunch of different options to share your location. It does get better and I'll show you why just now. But basically you can choose how long you want to share it for or until you choose to turn it off completely. And then you can choose exactly who you want to share your location with. So whether that's a friend, family member, your partner, anyone, you decide. Okay, but now here's where it gets really cool. So the person you share your location with will get a notification and then they can see where you are, but they can then choose to share their location with you and also until they decide to turn it off. Now, anytime you go into Google Maps, you can see almost down to the meter where they are. And if you tap on them, you'll see how far away they are from you exactly, their battery percentage, and when their location was last updated. You can even see when they're on the move. Wow. And of course, this can be done with multiple people. So whether that's your mom, your dad, your kids, whoever it is, this is just such a genius safety hack. Okay, now this next hack might feel a little illegal, but it's actually totally legit. So you know all these super annoying ads that always pop up or take up like half the screen when you're on a website? Well, here's a genius hack to get rid of them. Inside your app or Play Store, go inside and look for a free app called Brave Browser. Now, maybe some of you guys have heard of this app already, but what you don't know is it literally removes every single possible ad from the internet. And I really do mean every ad. It works on any site with pop-up ads, ad banners, or video ads. Basically, any ad you can think of, they're gone. Capiche? And this totally doesn't work with YouTube, so don't try it. So, did you know that we use our phones like maybe 6 hours of the day? The other 18 hours, they're just lying there doing pretty much nothing. But what if during that time, it could instead make you money? Yeah, well, with this genius hack, you can. So if you go to a site called honeygain.com, then click on the menu icon and download. It'll then give you the option to download their app. You can then install it, sign in with your Gmail, and that is it. Your phone will now actually start making you money, believe it or not. And how this actually works is by renting out your internet connection. Basically, you are just sharing your unused internet with like businesses that need it for things like web research, and they pay you for it while your phone just chills there and does literally nothing. And if you got a few extra phones lying around, you could set them all up to do the same thing, and boom, just like that, you got a money-making machine without paying a cent. Genius! Depending now on how many phones you connect, you can make around 20 to 30 bucks a month by doing nothing. It's not really an infinite money-making machine, but hey, it's free and it's close enough. So, that'll make you money, but here's a genius hack that'll save you money. Okay, now I couldn't believe this one when I tried it out. So let's say you're busy reading an article, but out of nowhere, boom, you need to pay to keep reading the article. Well, next time, do this instead. Go ahead, copy the article link, then in the URL type out archive.ph. Now, just paste your link in here, click save, and verbam, just like that, you no longer need to pay and you can read this article for as long as you want without being blocked. What's also so cool is this works with a bunch of different websites. Even those ones you can only open up after paying for them. So next time you come across an article like that, don't forget to try this genius hack, okay? Now for this next hack, grab your friends, your family, pets, whoever. Why? Because we're about to have a party. Okay, so for this one, try it out with me. Go into your App Store or Play Store and download an app called Rave. Once you've downloaded it, then open it up, log in with your Gmail or whatever you'd like, tap on this plus button, and now choose what type of party you'd like to have. Like YouTube, for example. Now, just search up your favorite song, and once you've found it and selected, it's going to load up in this Rave player. Then what you can do is click the link icon and share this link with your friend. And this is where it gets really cool. So your friend will get that link. They then open it up in their Rave app, and as soon as you press play, boom, you can both listen to the same song at the same time and even watch it at the same time. I mean, how cool? But the trick here is to actually connect a bunch of phones to the same party, then turn all their volumes up, and you've basically just made a surround sound speaker. I mean, how freaking cool? As you can see, this works with so many different applications, like even Netflix. So like if you and a friend join with the same link, you can watch movies or series together at the exact same time. Just go ahead and try this out with a friend because it is so much fun, but not before you try this next hack. Alright, next time you've got a bad internet connection or you're in a dead spot, then try this genius hack out. First, on your phone, open up the quick settings and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. It can be your home Wi-Fi, office Wi-Fi, whatever it is. Next, go back into your quick settings and this time turn on your mobile hotspot. Now what you do is place your phone down where it has really good Wi-Fi connection. And on your other device, like your laptop that had that bad signal, you're going to go into the Wi-Fi settings and connect to your phone's mobile hotspot. And that's it. Now you'll have better Wi-Fi signal. You'd think it's using your mobile data, but actually it's using the Wi-Fi connected to your phone. And essentially, your phone's now acting like a Wi-Fi repeater, grabbing the Wi-Fi signal and throwing it further into those dead spots that usually have terrible connection. Genius! And I mean, if you wanted to, you could grab a couple old phones and literally extend a single Wi-Fi connection across your whole house and garden. Damn! Okay, now did you know that you can actually password protect any link on the internet? And it's actually super simple. First, what you do is open up your web browser, select the link, and then copy it. Now you're going to go into a website called urlshort.dev. It should be this first option, and then you're going to paste your link in here, turn on customize link, and type in whatever you want, like top secret. Now this is super important. Make sure you turn on link with password. Then you're going to type in your password, click on shorten, then boom. And just like that, you've taken any link and locked it. Then what you can do is send that to a friend. Once they open it up, they'll first need to put in the password you set before they can see the original link. This is a genius hack in case you ever want to lock some work documents, photos, a website, and all that jazz. Okay, but now what if I told you the safest way to lock your phone isn't with your face, fingerprint, or pattern, it's this. Okay, now this one's really cool and super simple. So if you go into the Play Store and search for Screen Lock Time Password, download this one, then open it up and grant all the different permissions that it needs. Then finally enable this lock option. Okay, so now when you go to unlock your phone, you'll notice this new lock screen, but you never set a PIN. So now what? Well, this is the genius hack. You don't actually set the PIN. You use the current time as your new PIN. So based on my time, I use 0159. And now I'm in. This means you never have one single password. You've actually got one that's constantly changing. Genius. So if someone is being super sneaky and takes a look at the PIN you've just used to unlock your phone, and then they try their luck by typing in the password they just saw, they won't be able to access your phone. If you think about it, because it's changing every single minute of every hour, that's 720 different combinations that it's always running through. But you know what? That's not even my best lock hack. This is. So imagine this. You can lock your texts so that nobody except you and your friend can see them. Well, all you gotta do is go to Google and type in encryptor. I used this one from Franklin University. Then in here under this box, type in the message you'd like to hide. And then you're gonna go ahead and press encrypt. Once you do that, you'll see it spits out a bunch of random different numbers and dots. But now what you do is select those dots and numbers, copy it, head back to your messaging app and send that to your friend. Now what happens, on their side, they can just go ahead, copy all those random dots and numbers, then head to the same encryptor website you used, paste that funny code in, hit decrypt, and now they can read your secret message. Pretty cool. What's even better is you could add a password to your encryption. And if anyone tried to decrypt your message without the right password, it would just come out like total scrambled eggs. Should you do this for every single text? That's probably overkill, but for login information and passwords, 1000% yes. But by far, this is the best way to hide secret messages.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
See you in the next one. Toodles!